The purpose of this video is to help you get started in creating a Medicare.gov account. First, make sure you have your Medicare card with you. Then open a new browser tab and in the address bar type Medicare.gov and hit enter. When the next page loads, you'll click the blue button on the right, login/create an account. When the next page loads, you'll see it is both a login page for people with existing accounts and it includes a link for people that need to create a new account. So click create an account now. Then click OK. Now on this page, you will enter your Medicare number from your Medicare card and your Medicare Part A effective date, also found on your Medicare card. And you'll click Next, and you're on your way to creating your account.